This is a brief tutorial on installing a 3.5 inch cross strainer. Your 3.5 inch cross strainer kit is going to come included with the cross strainer itself and two different size gaskets, one smaller and one larger, and we'll explain why we have the two different size gaskets here. These are two of the same floor drains, however done by two different manufacturers. One is a Zurn and one is a Smith. And so as you can see, different manufacturers will slightly have different size drains even though both are marketed as a 3.5 inch drain. So here on the smaller drain, we've used the smaller gasket. We have it installed flush, and I'll demonstrate here with a larger gasket on a larger drain how we do that. You want to make sure that you place the gasket in without the cross strainer. Once the gasket is inside, push it down about 1/4 inch past the lip, so you'll have enough space here once you install your cross strainer to place your drain grate over the top. Take your cross strainer, screw it in by hand so you get to a point where it's tight. Once it's tight, you can use your cross strainer tool to completely install it until it's flush. As you can see here, and of course it'll be much easier to screw in when you're not holding it and you have it placed and it's actually installed in the concrete. The same premise here for the circular drains, however, because the circular drains are deeper set, you don't have to worry about not having enough clearance to be able to place your drain grate as you do on the squares. And so here, as you see, it's set flush. Once your cross strainer is installed inside the drain throat, you're then ready to anchor down the drain grate itself. You place the drain grate over the top, and then you want to line it up with the anchor holes in the cross strainer. Once you have it lined up, you take your screws, and then use your driver to secure the screws down to hold the drain grate in place. If you run into a case where the screws are not lining up with the anchor holes you have in the side, you can drill a hole directly through the center and anchor directly through the center.